Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description. In the description below. All right, so in this video, we are reviewing the Alpha Edge Expert Advisor. It's an EA developed exclusively for MetaTrader 5. And according to the developer, Victoria Lyubchak, this EA is designed for XAU USD and it combines trend analysis, momentum confirmation, and automated risk management to trade the gold market. Okay, so let us begin by looking at what the developer shares on the MQL5 marketplace page before discussing how the trading strategy works. The EA is currently priced at 99 US dollars and it is currently at version 1.0. All right, according to the marketplace description, Alpha Edge uses a multi-layered approach to market analysis rather than relying on a single indicator. The EA first identifies the broader market direction using the 100-period exponential moving average on the H1 time frame. It then confirms the shorter term trend using the 50-period exponential moving average on the M5 time frame before waiting for a reversal signal from the stochastic oscillator with settings of 833 to trigger a trade. Now, by combining higher time frame trend analysis with lower time frame confirmation, the momentum signals with lower time frame confirmation and momentum signals, the EA attempts to filter out weaker setups and focus on trades that align with the prevailing market direction. So the developer also highlights several built-in risk management features. Position sizing can be calculated automatically based on account balance through the auto lot function, while every trade is protected with predefined stop loss and take profit levels. A smart trailing stop is included to help secure profits during strong market trends. And importantly, the developer clearly states that the EA does not use grid or martingale strategies. Alpha Edge is designed for XAU USD with trading entries executed on the M5 time frame while referencing the H1 trend. The recommended minimum deposit is $100 with leverage ranging from 1:100 to 1:500, depending on the broker and account type. Now, let us take a closer look at the trading strategy itself. Unlike systems that simply react to every market movement, Alpha Edge waits for multiple conditions to align before entering a position. The higher time frame EMA provides the primary market direction. The lower time frame EMA confirms that momentum is developing in the same direction, and the stochastic oscillator is used to identify a favorable entry point after a pullback or momentum shift. Okay, so this layered confirmation process is designed to reduce false signals by requiring agreement between trend and momentum before a trade is executed. Now, while no strategy can eliminate losing trades, combining multiple filters often results in fewer but potentially higher quality trading opportunities. Now, one interesting feature mentioned by the developer is that the EA is designed to execute trades on the first tick of a new candle. All right. The algorithm opens trades at the beginning of a new candle, reducing market noise and increasing testing accuracy. So the intention behind this approach is to reduce intrabar market noise and provide more consistent execution during both live trading and historical testing. When evaluating an expert advisor like Alpha Edge, traders should pay close attention to several important performance metrics during back testing. Rather than looking only at total profit, it is equally important to examine statistics such as the profit factor, which measures the relationship between gross profits and gross losses, the maximum drawdown, which shows the largest temporary decline experienced during the test, and the recovery factor, which indicates how effectively the system recovered from periods of drawdown. Okay, so for this back testing that I conducted, I used an initial deposit of $10,000, and the net result that was generated by the EA over this duration was $13,021.91. All right, and I can okay, you can see that the backtest was conducted on XAU USD on the M5 time frame from the beginning of this year, 1st January 2026 till date. So it covered roughly around 6.5 months. Okay, and I'm using the every tick modeling, of course, and the history quality is 100%, which gives a level of reliability to an extent. Okay, so from this back test, we can see that the total trades taken were 7,127 over the period of the back testing, and we had a win rate of just 40.86%. All right, the average profit was 61.13, while the average loss was 39.14. So the average profit was bigger than the average loss. At least the risk to reward ratio might not be all that good, but it is reasonable. It's not up to 1:2, but at least it is reasonable. All right, and I can see that we had 26 maximum consecutive wins, resulting in $2,090.51. The maximum consecutive losses were 16, resulting in $693.59. Okay, so at least the wins outweigh the losses. Okay, so metrics like the total number of trades, the expected payoff, and the overall consistency across different market conditions can often provide a better understanding of an EA's long-term behavior than profits alone. Overall, Alpha Edge presents a structured trend following approach for gold trading by combining higher time frame trend analysis, momentum confirmation, and disciplined risk management. Its emphasis on predefined stop losses, automated lot sizing, and the absence of greed or martingale techniques may appeal to traders looking for a more controlled approach to automated trading. As always, remember that historical testing and strategy design cannot guarantee future performance. Before trading any expert advisor on a live account, it is a good idea to perform your own forward testing on a demo account and verify that the EA performs consistently under your broker's execution conditions and your preferred level of risk. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next review.